Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can activate voice chat on Roblox. Go to more and go to settings. Go to the privacy bit and make sure you go to account info and make sure you have verified your age here. So if you are underage, I think you have to be a minimum of like 13 years old. And if you need help verifying it, just ask an adult to do that for you. But once it's done verifying, go to privacy, scroll down, and this will be available. So if yours is disabled like this, just enable it and press enable. Now when you play any Roblox game, let's play a game. For instance, dance karaoke. And you need to still set up your microphone. Just select this Roblox button. Go to the settings tab, scroll down. This will show up. And make sure you press the right microphone. So this is not the right microphone. And you're going to select the correct one. And then resume. To sing or to talk, just unmute yourself. And if it's green, that means they can hear you. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.